This is the 6-2 guided practice 5B. You'll notice that 5A and 5C I'm not making a video for. I'll just simply post the PDF of the answers. But since this is a 3x3, I thought it was important to sort of show you one of these. So basically you're still going to do the same where you write the doubly augmented matrix with the identity matrix on the other side. So first I'm going to write all of this. Dot, dot, dot. And then basically you need to do a 3x3 identity matrix, which is going to be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. Okay, now my goal is still to get the left side in reduced row echelon form. So basically I want to get the first row to have a 1 in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply row 1 by -1, which just means to change all the signs. So I'll have 1, 2, 2, -1, 0, 0. Everything else stays the same. Alright, from there I'm going to get rid of the 3, so I'm going to do -3 times row 1 plus row 2. So I'm going to do that work off to the side. Basically I have -3, -6, -6. This will be +3, 0, 0. Add it to this. That's my new second row. And my next step is to make sure that this is a 1, but it already is. So basically row 2 is okay for now. So on row 3, I need to get rid of my x. So what I'll do is I'll just do negative row 1 plus row 3. So I'll write that off to the side. The negative of row 1 is going to be -1, -2, -2, +1, 0, 0. And then this one, so I've got 0, this is +2, this is going to be +5, 1, 0, 1. Okay, now my goal is to get rid of this 2. So I'm going to do -2 times row 2 plus row 3. Sorry, row 3. Alright, so -2 times this one is going to give me 0. This will be -2, -6, -6, -2, and 0. And I'm adding it to row 3, which is 0, 2, 5, 1, 0, 1. So I get 0, 0, this is -1, this is -5, -2, and 1. Row 2 didn't change. Row 3 is now 0, 0, -1, -5, -2, and 1. Okay, from there, I need to make this a positive 1, so I'll just do -1 times row 3. Oh my goodness, I forgot to change anything. Whoops. All right, so I was supposed to change all the signs on this last row, so let's go ahead and just put pluses here. Sorry about that. All right, so now this side is looking good. I have all the 1s in the correct places, but I need to get rid of these other numbers. So basically, to get rid of this 2, I'm going to do -2 here plus this one. So I'm going to do -2 times row 2 plus row 1. So -2 times this row gives me 0, -2, -6, -6, -2, and 0. And I'm going to add that to the first row. So my new first row is going to be 1, 0, -4, -7, -2, and 0. Next row, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0, and then 0, 0, 1, 5, 2, -1. Alright, so I still need to get rid of this -4, so I'm going to make this one +4. So basically, +4 times row 3 plus row 1. So doing this one times +4, I'll have 0, 0, 4, 20, 8, and -4. And I'll add that to the first row. Alright, so here I have 1, 0, 0. This is going to be 13, 6, -4. So 1, 0, 0, 13, 6, and -4. Alright, next line, 0, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0. Last line, 0, 0, 1, 5, 2, -1. Dot, dot, dot. Alright, I've only got one number that's a problem, this +3, so I'll do -3 times the row below, -3 times row 3 plus row 2, and this should be our last step, and then everything else will be zeros. So, -3 times the bottom, you'll still have 0, 0, then -3, then -15, -6, and +3. Add this row. So 0, 1, 0. This will be -12. This will be -5 and +3. And then the last one. Okay, so this is reduced row echelon form. Basically what that means is as long as you got reduced row echelon form, whatever's on the right hand side, that's the inverse. So in this case, the inverse of A equals this thing. 13, 6, -4, -12, -5, and 3, 5, 2, and -1. And you can always go ahead and take this times the original, and you should again get the identity matrix, and then do the original times this. You should also get the identity matrix, and that's how you know you have the right answer.